get into this, first of all, I want to say I have less than 50 subscribers right now, but I want to say thank you to every single person who takes the time out of their day to watch my videos. I really, really appreciate it. It's a lot of hard work that goes into this, so, you know, I just thank you guys for watching. I've been doing a lot of stuff, but I'm really gonna start just doing mostly home decor videos because that's where I want to really be. And I was just trying stuff. When you're new to YouTube, you're just trying to figure it out. So that's what I was doing. So I want to thank you so much for watching. And but anywho, today's video is going to be about bar cart styling. I'm going to show you how to style a bar cart in your home that you can replicate as well. So again, you know, guys, thank you so much for watching these videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Like, have your mama watch my videos. Play them in the background while you're cleaning up. You don't even have to watch it. Just help your girl out. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of April. So again, everyone who's watching, thank you so much. And let's get into the video. Okay, guys, so I'm outside of the frame, but I wanted to show you my bar cart in its natural state. It is from Wayfair. And I believe it was $80, but I'll link it below and put the price on the screen. This bar cart is in its natural state, like I said. And what's super important, and my first tip, is to put your bar cart against the wall so that you can add not just things on top of the bar cart, but like a photo, pictures, something that gives it a little bit more of a, makes it stand out more. So we're gonna get into it and show you how to style this whole piece. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is put your centerpiece up. So I got this mirror, well, you can see me, but got this mirror, window pane mirror accent piece from Burlington. I believe it was like $14.99. I'm just going to sit that in the middle of the bar cart. I'll show the overall look after this point, but I want to keep the close up so you guys can see how I'm placing the items. I'm gonna put that in the middle here. Then how I like to do is I like to add the next biggest thing to the cart because I like a full bar cart. So I'm gonna add the ice holder, like the ones you have in the hotel. I gotta look up the actual name for this. I'm pretty sure it's not called the ice holder, but that's what we have here. And again, I like a really full bar cart. This is from the thrift store. Then we have these nice little, like, I call them liquor glasses because they're nice for like a mixed drink. Not too big, not too small. And I got a 4 set of these. So I'm going to place these. And again, you can rearrange stuff after you place it. But I'm going to place these here. Again, thrift store is a great place to get bar cart stuff. All these glasses were like, I think 29 cents a piece or 59 cents. So less than $2 to get all these glasses. So I also I bought this holder. It's a pencil holder, but this is really good for like tongs, mixers, whatever you have on your bar cart. I don't have those, so I just have this. I'm gonna place this back here. And what I've been putting in it is a mixer. So I have this Goya ginger beer. It's so good in like so many drinks. So I'm just gonna sit that back here because it fits literally like right in the pencil holder. So that's that on that. Don't judge. And place that there. And now you do need some liquor. I prefer to keep my liquor at the bottom shelf of the drawer, but it's nice to have something at the top. This is like a decorative Absolute bottle. When I got it, it had like a label on it saying it was like a special edition or something like that. So the next thing is these beautiful wine glasses. They have like a high-low black gradient to it. I don't know what you want to call it. Again, these were like a few cents. I got another 4 set of those. I'm gonna place those in the corner right in front of the Absolute bottle. And the last piece is decanters. Like, decanters are so important. They can make a cheap bottle of wine look super expensive. This already had some wine in it, so I'm not gonna pour anymore. But look at that. Like, literally looks so expensive. I think this is like $6 wine in here. So I'm gonna place that right here. And that completes the top shelf. You have a nice classy look. Didn't spend too much. Like I think the most was this. It was like $5. Oh no, the accent piece, the mirror here was like $14. So first row of the bar cart is complete. Now I'm gonna take you to the bottom row and then show you the final results. So I placed the wire basket down there. What I'm gonna add to that is my actual liquors, because I really drink wine. I don't have too much liquor. So I have this Arnett tequila. Baby, it's better than Patron, check it out. It's great. So I'm gonna place this down here. I'm also gonna place just like a regular bottle of Absolute down here as well. Glass holders, they say Di Serono on the front, and ironically again, got these from the thrift store. So I'm gonna place both of these in front of the basket just to give it a more designed look. Next, I know it's not really bar cart related, but I have a few games. I have left, right, and center and Uno. And I like to just keep those on the bar cart because sometimes you're drinking, you want to have a fun game with friends. And then finally, wine, my favorite. I just like to place these evenly throughout the bar cart. And I have some wine like this. This is Equitas, really good. It's like $16 a bottle, really affordable. But it has a really nice design. So I like to put something like this in the front. But here you go, guys, a fully styled bar cart.